sigaw. Pagmasdan mo yung kanta ni Joey. Yung walang sigaw pero ang pounding ng emotion.
Ganda mo, grabe.
Okay. No, habang kumakanta si Joey Generoso, binubulungan ko si Bugoy, sabi ko, pagmasdan mo Bugoy, kasi hindi ba, yun ang pinuna kay Bugoy eh. Yung walang mga haplos si Bugoy kasi para pag bumanat ng kanta yun, yung parang hindi ba binabatukan ka na kaagad, yung voice power niya eh. Pero nakikita mo yung kay Joey Generoso, nakikita mo anak, hindi sa sigaw, kundi sa paghahagod sa boses, nakakakuha ng shading ng emotion. May mga variation, may haplos, may kurot, may pisel, may lamas. Okay? Kasi, hindi ba, pag kumakanta ka, para ka rin humahaplos na ng kasamaan eh, hindi ba? Hindi naman pwedeng lahat dakma. Okay? Maganda kung minsan may haplos, may kurot. Kitang-kita yun sa rendition ni Joey Generoso, which brings me to you, Sel. Sel, you were trying to give. Bukas ka na. And we could see that may bukas na ng konti yung pero nakulangan pa rin ako. Naintindihan mo, anak? Nakikita mo yung chemistry ni si Joey Generoso kasi hanip. Hindi ba? I'll be honest with you, dinala ka niya. It wasn't an even flight. Okay? Well, come to think of it naman, sa mga performance naman siguro natin na napanood natin, ang nag-even flight lamang would be Iñaki, La Arnie, and Poy. Yung talagang even ang flight. And Bugoy. Okay? Yung even ang marami. Pero sa iyo kasi, I do not know kung where the problem lies na anak eh. Kichi and I spent some time trying to analyze the problem of Lisel. Why doesn't Lisel have the passion? Why is it Larnie can deliver passion when she sings, "You make me feel like a natural woman"? Okay? Or when, Miss Kilig Queen over there can look at Poon and literally melt like ice cream. And then, look, feel like, hindi ba, any moment, kakagatin niya yung, sa puro niya, Di ba? Pero ikaw, anak, if only you get 1/4 of Miguel's emotional intensity when you sing, masaya na ako. Kasi si Miguel, di ba yung mga ganyan ni Miguel na mukhang umupo sa pako? Di ba? Sa'yo kasi, is it because, number one, you have a limited range of experiences, that you've never felt love, and you don't know where, wala kang paghuhugutan? Meron naman siguro. Matalino ka naman bata. Is it because you don't fully understand the context of the song, that you can't push it? Is it because you're shy? And what are your inhibitions? I mean, hindi ba? I need more of that passion because that song could have afforded a little more. If Miguel pwedeng binawasan niya yung kanya ng konti, siguro dapat ipinasa load ni Miguel sa'yo.
Sa load.
Okay? Yung emotion. Kasi putya, tell me where did I go wrong? But I don't see it in your face. All I see is somebody being very careful with her song. But I see it in Joey Generoso's face. It's not bland. It could have been, you've done more mediocre performances.